Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the daily time frame. So the US dollar CAD is definitely still pushing up, as you can see. We had a pretty volatile day yesterday, but it definitely did not engulf down on the daily or do anything at all to make us start looking for sells. I don't really know if this is an A, B, C that's going to go up and take out these highs and continue the downtrend, or whether this actually could turn into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go up and break the high of wave 4. But I do know that the daily time frame is definitely still telling us to look for longs at the end of pullbacks. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now at the top of a move. But anytime I see a 1, 2, 3 way pullback, even that big giant move we had yesterday was a 1, 2, 3 way pullback. So I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now. I have no idea where and when it's going to make another three-way pullback, but I do know that if and when it does make another three-way pullback, that's exactly where I will be looking to enter long again, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend for a wave C or possibly even a wave 3. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.